Hello guys, this is Dhruva from Dhruva's Point YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a professional gaming intro, or you can say it ghost intro like this. If you want to make such videos, then don't skip any part of these videos, and all the infos regarding the videos are in the description below. You can have a look after watching my full video. Guys, if you are interested in such kind of videos, then please share my video, like my videos, and press the notification bell icon for the next update. So let's get started. First of all guys, you have to download two apps. First one is KineMaster Pro and second one is Pixellab. Now first open Pixellab. Okay. Now remove the text and go this layer option and make the color black. Okay. Now guys, go this three dot option, go image size, and here you can see custom, go here and make it YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Now guys, go this plus symbol and from gallery export your own gaming logo. Okay, I am going to export my logo. Okay guys, this is my logo. Click here and adjust it. Okay, now guys, here you can see relative position. Okay, adjust the position. Now guys, here you can see shadow. Okay, make it enable. Choose different color. Okay, choose any color. I am going to choose green color. Okay, make the blur radius up to 12. Okay, now opacity of Y, make it -36. Okay guys, now go this eraser option and make it enable, make the tolerance. Okay, here you can adjust your tolerance and here you can adjust your smooth. Okay, now guys, go this option and make it transparent. Okay, now here you can see save option. Okay, make the custom size into ultra and save to gallery. Now again you have to edit your text. Okay, open Pixellab. Okay, here you can see edit text option. I am going to write my name. Okay, now guys, go this option and make the color black. Okay guys, now here you can see font. Select one font. Okay, I have downloaded some font. Now see. Okay, now guys, go size and adjust your size properly. Okay, now guys, relative position and do like this. Now again go three dot option and select the custom and make it YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now guys, here you can see padding, left padding up to 9 and right padding up to 8. Okay, now guys, make it transparent. Okay, and save as image. Select custom into ultra. Okay, now guys, open KineMaster. Okay, link will be available in the description. Go into empty project and select 16:9 ratio. Go media and select black background. Okay, make it up to 9 seconds or 10 seconds. Go layer, select media, and you have to add your recently Pixellab edited logo. Okay, export your logo. Okay, make the duration as long as the background. Okay guys, now you have to adjust your logo. Okay, make it full screen. Now guys, go layer, select effect, and you have to download an effect that is called Mirage. Okay, you make the duration. Okay, make it full screen, and you have to go settings, and you have to make speed up to 15, strength up to 6, and direction of X or Y up to 1. Okay, let's take a preview guys. Okay guys, save it. Okay, go this option and export it. Okay, after saving the image, you have to go empty project, select 16:9 ratio, go media, and you have to download an animation. Okay, link will be available in the description. You can easily download from there. Okay, I am going to select my animation. Sorry. Okay, here is my animation guys. Okay, now guys, make it zoom. Okay, in this position guys, go layer, select media, and you have to add your recently exported video guys. Okay, go here and you can see our blending option. Okay, make it screen. Okay guys, now adjust it. Okay, properly. Let's take a preview. Okay guys, in this position guys, select the export image, go this key option, do like this. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, it's look amazing guys. Okay guys, now you have to add your text. Okay, go layer, select media, and you have to select your recently pixel edited text. Okay, okay, make it small according to your logo. Now guys, here you can see blending, make it screen. Okay guys, let's take a preview. Okay guys, now you have to add an laser effect, go media, and select your laser effect. Okay, make it bigger. Now make the duration as long as the other clips. Okay guys, let's cut the unnecessary part. Go cutter. Okay, and trim to right of, play it. Go cutter, trim to right of, play it. Okay, now guys, here you can add out animation, make it fade. Okay, same process in this clip, go out animation, make it fade up to 1 second. Okay, you have to all animation in 3 clips. Okay, now guys, go this text option on, make it enter, slide down. Okay, and make the duration up to 1 second. Okay guys, now guys, you have to add an audio effect. Go folder and select your Ghost Audio, link will be available in the description. Okay, okay guys, let's take a preview. It's ready guys. If you want to save it, go this option and export it according to your file size. Guys, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for the next update. It's over. Thank you so much.